नानी तेरी मोरनी को मोर ले गए, बाकी जो बचा था काले चोर ले गए। नानी तेरी मोरनी को मोर ले गए, बाकी जो बचा था काले चोर ले गए। खाके पी के मोटे होके चोर बैठे रेल में, चोरों वाला डब्बा खटका पहुंचा सीधे जेल में। नानी तेरी मोरनी को मोर ले गए, बाकी जो बचा था काले चोर ले गए। उन चोरों की खूब खबर ली मोटे थानेदार ने, मोरों को भी खूब नचाया जंगल की सरकार ने। नानी तेरी मोरनी को मोर ले गए, बाकी जो बचा था काले चोर ले गए। अच्छी नानी प्यारी नानी रुस्सा रुस्सी छोड़ दे, जल्दी से एक पैसा दे दे तू कंजूसी छोड़ दे। नानी तेरी मोरनी को मोर ले गए, बाकी जो बचा था काले चोर ले गए। बाकी जो बचा था काले चोर ले गए। Children, all of you open your Hindi textbook. हाँ, तो यहाँ पर क्या है देखिए, पेज नंबर 37। पेज नंबर 37 में अगर हम देखेंगे तो देखिए ये ज आधा है, ज में हलांत है ना, ज ऐसा ज पूरा लिखा हुआ है। और फिर यहाँ पर एक जो लाइन है, इसे अगर हम ये लाइन जो डालेंगे नीचे तो वो आधा जा हो जाता है, हाफ जा। ओके, हाफ जा एंड प्लस बड़ा ऊ। ओके, बड़ा ऊ। देन दिस इज ज, ज में बड़ा ऊ, जू। क्या है ये? जू। द सेम वे हियर, भा। ठीक है, हाँ अब यहाँ पर देखिए भ प्लस ल। ल, ल के नीचे जो लाइन है ये ल आधा हो गया, हाफ ला, प्लस ऊ। तो ये क्या है? लू। ठीक है, लू। तो ये सारे यहाँ पर लिखिए, अभी ये नोटबुक में लिखिए, ये पूरा अभी नोटबुक में लिखना है आपको। ठीक है, तो मैं भी यहाँ पर लिखती हूँ। ओपन योर नोटबुक्स एंड राइट। And if you see the next, not only this, if we see the next page, sorry, next bit, यहाँ पर देखिए झ पूरा है, झ पूरा है और झ में बड़ा ऊ है, झ में बड़ा ऊ है, तो ये बन गया झू। तो यहाँ पर हम ऊ की मात्रा लगा रहे हैं। यहाँ पर जब ऊपर जब हमने लिखा ज आधा और यहाँ पर ऊ स्वर पूरा लिख रहे हैं, हम यहाँ पर पूरा स्वर लिख रहे हैं, इसीलिए इसको आधा कर दिया हमने। वेराज हम यहाँ पर क्या कर रहे हैं, हम सिर्फ मात्रा लगा रहे हैं, इसीलिए झ को हमने पूरा करा। ठीक है, झ को हमने पूरा किया। पर यहाँ पर देखिए ज को आधा किया और ऊ लगाया, इसीलिए झू। तो you should understand this difference. Okay, see here, झ में बड़ा ऊ। So see, this is the difference, first and the second. What is the difference in this two? ओके। झ पूरा है और झ में ऊ की मात्रा है, बड़ा ऊ की मात्रा है। झ और बड़ा ऊ की मात्रा झू हो गया। डोंट राइट, सी द बोर्ड, see the screen all of you and try to understand first. Okay, झ पहले हमने झ लिखा और ऊ की मात्रा लिखा यहाँ पर, और झ में ऊ की मात्रा झू हो गया। अब यहाँ पर देखिए हमने यहाँ पर ये हलांत क्यों लगाया, ये डैश क्यों लगाया, क्योंकि दिस इज हाफ जा नाउ, half ja, and if it is half ja, again we need to add a swar here. See, for example, this is jha, up there is jha. In this jha, what is there? A is there. In this jha, what is there? A is there. We all know that ka से ha तक जो अक्षर है, इन सभी अक्षरों में अ स्वर होता है। ठीक है, हाँ। सो दिस ऑल व्यंजन will always depend on the swar. They depends on the swar. They are not independent. They are always dependent on the swar. For example, if I write ka, this is half, and if I write this is full, and in this ka there is a. What is there? There is a in this ka. And not only in ka, kha, ga, gha, in every letter there is a. ओके, तो यहाँ पर झ है और झ में ऊ की मात्रा हमने दिया। यहाँ पर जा आधा हमने लिखा, इसका मतलब ये है कि इसमें स्वर आ नहीं है। ओके, देयर इज नो आ इन दिस, दैट्स द रीजन वी आर कीपिंग a swar ऊ here total. Okay, so if we are adding swar ऊ to it, again it will become ju. So there is a simple slight difference and you have to learn this because we will be again doing in the examination वर्णों को जोड़िए और शब्द बनाइए. So for that you need to learn this. Okay, there is a bit in examination वर्णों को जोड़िए और शब्द बनाइए. So here we will learn and write this total, children. Okay. वर्णों को जोड़कर शब्द बनाइए. Okay, this is the heading. Write, all of you, write date and write the heading. Okay, write the date 8/10/20. Okay, and then Advait Aryan, bolo.
We have to write it, mom.
Notebook. Write in notebook.
In notebook?
Yes.
Okay, mom.
ज आधा प्लस बड़ा ऊ प्लस स. प्लस को क्या कहते हैं हिंदी में? जमा कहते हैं. ठीक है, जूस, ज में ऊ की मात्रा जूस, जूस. और फिर देखिए भा ला आधा plus U. भालू. ची प्लस का आधा प्लस ऊ. चीकू. plus ga adha. You can see the textbook also and can write page number 37. U plus ra. अंगूर. अंगूर. ख plus ra plus ba plus u plus ja. तो ये क्या बन गया? खरबूजा. ठीक है. Now sixth one. त plus ra plus ba बाधा u plus z is equal to तरबूज. This is first one. This is second one. This is third one. Fourth, fifth and sixth. Yes, AVK Ganesh. 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 How many of you are reading and writing? I will test now. I will unmute and I will see each and everybody. Who is reading and writing? I will see. Okay? Reading and writing I should see. Juice. Bhalu. Chiku. Loud reading I want. Everybody should hear in the home. Your mother, father, whoever is there should hear. Angur. Angur. Kharbuja. Tarbooz. Now I will see. Riyansika is reading, huh? I should hear the sound. Very good. Riyansika is reading. Riyansika is reading. Srihan is reading. Is Srihan reading? Srihan?
Yes,
Srihan
ma'am.
voice is not coming. Srihan is not reading then.
Ba.
Reading sound should come. Reading sound should come, Srihan. Reading
Plus.
sound should come.
Ka.
Tanishka, reading sound is coming from you.
Jaju. Is. Raju.
Yes, Tanishka is
Ba.
also reading.
Kar.
Ashwita Nalla sound.
Ba.
Plus.
Ja.
Ashwita Nalla sound is not coming.
Ya.
Sound is
Kar.
not coming. Reading sound is not there.
Ha. Plus. Ra.
Lohit, reading sound is there.
Ba. Plus.
Adya Gucha, are you reading?
Su.
Are you reading?
Plus. Ra.
Read and write. Read and write.
To.
Ta. Kar. Tarbuj.
Azlan, reading sound is there.
Tarbuj. Yes. Ku.
Good.
Ba.
Ku.
Good. Azlan is reading. I'm able to hear.
7.
Ja.
Ganesh
Ma'am.
is reading. Ganesh is reading.
Ja.
Ganesh
Ma'am.
reading sound is not there.
Ma'am.
Ah,
Ma'am. Done.
done.
Yes, ma'am.
Ja.
Okay.
In
Now,
notebook also.
so what you need to do is,
Ba.
children, after completing this, your homework is Khabit. In page number 37, Khabit is your homework.
Car is 37.
Khabit.
37, huh?
झूलना, कूदना,
Ma'am, we have to.
घूमना.
37.
That is your homework. If it is this is
Ma'am.
completed, you can write that also. Now only if you can write, you can write. Neat handwriting you should write. Read and write neatly.
Ain't mommy? Ain't
Page 37. Page 37. Second bit. What is there? झूलना, कूदना, those words are there, no? Jha plus u ki matra, la plus na. Okay, that bit is your homework.
Ma'am, in Khabit we have homework.
That is homework that you have to write in your notebook. Read and write. If this is completed,
Okay.
you can write the homework now also. In the class itself, you can write the homework also. Read and write.
Okay, ma'am.
Akshay Lakshmi, why phone is in the hand? No need of phone. You should not keep that phone near the system. Akshay Lakshmi, read and write. Akshay Lakshmi, sleeping simply. Reading and writing should be there. Class for completed. Write homework also. Read and write. Read and write. All of you should read and write.
Homework.
Read and write.
Ja.
Pathan is not reading, simply writing.
1, 2, 3.
Reading and writing. Yes.
Yes.
Rishika, Jay, turn on your video.
Yes.
Everybody should read. Everybody should read.
Matra is equal to dash.
Kushal Sanjay, turn on your video. Anik Sai, Shriyan, turn on your video. Read and write, Kushal. Read and write. Who is that? Read and write. Read and write.
Sorry.
Bilvika, Bilvika, reading sound is not coming from your. No reading. No reading sound, Bilvika. Bilvika, no reading sound. I am not getting reading sound. Bilvika is not reading. Turn on your video, Bilvika. Turn on your video.
Ma'am, done, ma'am.
Ah, good, good. Kushal, sit properly. Kushal, sit properly.
Angura.
Angura is not there. Angur only, that's all.
Angur.
Good, Dhriti. Homework also you can do. Homework also you can do. Read and write homework, classwork, both you send now only. In the period itself you have to send. Writing work completed, you have to send also. Send me all of you.
Okay, ma'am.
Classwork, homework, both complete and send.
Okay, ma'am.
Supratik, what is that in your hand? Supratik, where is your notebook? How much did you write? Come on, show me.
Easy.
Don't get up from your place. Write down the classwork and show. Classwork and homework both you should send me within 10 minutes now. Those who have completed classwork should write homework also. नहीं लिखा मैडम, नहीं लिखा. सुप्रतीक नहीं लिखा मैडम, नहीं लिखा वो. हाँ मैम, सुप्रतीक ने नहीं लिखा. स्ट्रक हो गया आपका.
Fifth one.
Lohit running here and there did not write. Rohit completed. Homework also write down. Read and write homework also. See bhalu, how you wrote? U की मात्रा बड़ा U. You wrote छोटा U. You wrote like this छोटा U. This is बड़ा U. This you have to write, no? बड़ा U. बड़ा U lesson is going on. How did you write? Check your book. Check. Check once. See the textbook and write correctly. Lohit, see the textbook and write correctly. Aditya Ram completed. Aditya Ram. Aditya Ram, how much is done? How much is done?
Yes, once is done, ma'am.
Homework is completed. Homework.
Once is done.
Homework you write on homework. Start writing homework. Start writing homework also. Send me even. Kushal, Sanjay, sit properly. This is the third time I am telling you. Sit properly. Show your notes. Show your notes, Kushal. Irregular to the classes and not writing, not sitting properly. Huh? What are you showing me? Are you reading and writing those all? Yes?
Yeah.
For Bhalu, what U ki matra did you keep? Bada U only? Okay. Fine. Write down homework also. Write homework also.
Ma'am,
Homework also write down.
ma'am.
हाँ बोलिए. हाँ बोलिए.
Hello, ma'am.
हाँ जी बोलिए.
Ma'am,
जी बोलिए मैम, सुन रही हूँ मैं, बोलिए.
होमवर्क में कौन सा लिखना है मैम?
ख बिट लिखना है. ख बिट पढ़िए और समझिए. झूलना, कूदना, घूमना.
सेकंड का?
हाँ
हाँ ठीक है वो फर्स्ट का पूरा लिख दिया हूँ
हाँ
सेकंड का
हाँ वही वो होमवर्क के लिए बोली मैं. तो अभी जो हो गया क्लास वर्क, वो लोग होमवर्क भी लिख सकते हैं. बिल्विका, क्लास वर्क होमवर्क बोथ completed. Bilvika, sitting simply. Bilvika, class work and homework both completed. Show your book, Bilvika. Show your book, Bilvika. Bilvika simply smiling. Show your book. Show your book. You should sit in separate room or you should have earphones, Bilvika. You don't have textbook. Okay, did you write this screen? What I have written on the screen? Bilvika. Okay, I will send you in MCB. You have to write, okay, homework also. And Bilvika, you should sit separately in separate room, or else you should have a earphone. Lot of disturbance is there in your home. Okay? Understood? You should use a earphone or else sit in a separate room. Lot of disturbance is there in your home always. Yes, Dhriti. Yes, Dhriti. All are raising the hand now. Yes.
बड़ी कार्ड.
हाँ बोलो धृति.
Which bit? बड़ी कार्ड छोटी का.
बड़ा खा. Next bit. After this bit there is a like झूलना, कूदना words are there, no? Page 37. Last bit, page number 37, last bit. That you have to write. Okay? Page 37, last bit, start writing. Page 37, last bit, start writing. Read and write, read and write. Juice. भालू. चीकू. अंगूर. खरबूजा. तरबूज. यस कार्तिका. कार्तिका. हाँ बोलो.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ बोलो क्या चाहिए.
Your
हाथ से उठाओ.
number.
हाँ
Your number.
ask your class teacher. Ask your class teacher, she will tell you.
She's not.
Huh?
She's not telling.
She's not
She's
telling.
not telling.
She's not telling. Okay, fine. Fine, wait. I will tell you.
Okay, ma'am.